These days, more and more MBA programs give you the option or even require you to submit a video essay to introduce yourself to the adcoms. Why do they do this? Because they want to put a face and voice on your resume and essays and get a sense of your personality and presence. You might wonder what to talk about or even feel intimidated by the idea of being on camera. But by breaking down the task into steps, you'll be able to record with confidence. Let's discuss how to approach the video essay. Hi, I'm Shinewald, founder of mbaMission, and I've worked with thousands of applicants on every aspect of their application. And I'm here today to share some tips with you on how to make your video essay resonate with the adcom to ensure that you make a very positive impression. But before we dig in, quick note for clarification. We're talking about video essays today, literally the prompts that schools like MIT, Georgetown, and Tepper ask for along with their essays. The prompts that you ask about you as a person or about your goals. We draw a distinction with the video interviews like Kellogg and Yale, where you may get a random prompt or two or three that you need to respond to under a little bit of pressure. Okay, so video essays. Let's do this. First, obviously, plan what you're going to say. The video options thus far are 1 to 2 minutes, and because they're video, you can certainly think about what you want to say in advance. You can script or loosely script what you want to say, but just make sure that you think about your cadence and tone, that you're not reading prepared remarks and droning on. These videos are 50% about showcasing your personality and 50% about answering the questions. So let your personalities shine through. That doesn't mean you have to go big, but reading a prepared text just won't be enough. Next, rehearse your script. So yes, rehearse without depriving yourself of that sincerity and your personality. As you rehearse, ask yourself, does this sound like me? Am I comfortable? Am I rushing? Use a stopwatch and see if you can get your script done in the given time. A 1-minute video should allow you to speak for about 140 words. So loosely script to that number and then get comfortable speaking like you're talking to a friend, rather than hitting specific points that you're trying to remember. Look the part. Set your surroundings. If you're introducing yourself to MIT in a minute, you send a different message if you're sitting in an office, in a suit, or in a bike jersey and helmet on the country road, or in a construction helmet on a factory floor. One of these isn't necessarily better than the other. It all depends on who you are and what you're trying to say about yourself. So think about your, as they say in film, mise en scène. Is it gimmicky? That's not good. Is it a value add because it says something about who you are and helps create a mood? If that's the case, then consider taking advantage of the opportunity to establish your scenery. You don't need to overproduce your video essays, but if you take advantage of your setting to add depth, why not? Finally, obviously, record the video. When you're ready to record, make sure there are no distractions, no barking dogs, ringing phones, cars driving by. Make sure to bring some warmth. Smile in a way that feels true to you and speak to the camera clearly and slowly. Try to relax, shoot a few takes, show them to a friend or two, certainly to your consultant, and choose the best cut. Making a video essay can definitely seem daunting at first, but by being methodical and keeping it simple, you'll be able to shine and help the admissions committee get to know you. Okay, those are our tips. To learn more about the essays and video essays for the top programs, I encourage you to visit the essay analysis on our website, which provides our tips on how to approach, again, the written and video essays for each school. To help you learn more about each of your target programs, we also have free insider's guides for programs in the United States and even abroad. If you have questions about your specific candidacy, please sign up with me or one of my colleagues at mbaMission for our free 30-minute consultation. We can discuss how you can best position yourself to be a competitive MBA applicant. Click the link below to sign up. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed this video and want to get more MBA admissions and application tips, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Best of luck producing those essays, writing those essays, applying to business school.